Hello and welcome to this video about Google Calendar and how we use Google Calendar at Sheffield International College. Today you will learn what the calendar looks like, how to create an event and use the repeat function, how to use reminders, how to color code events, and how to invite other people to meetings and respond to invitations. So first we will look at Google Calendar. When you open your University of Sheffield email account, you have the option to go to your email or view your calendar. Let's look at the calendar. If you look at the top left of the screen, you can see there is a small monthly calendar and that today's date is the 28th of August. If you look at the main part of the screen, you can see a large weekly calendar with divisions into days, across, and times, down. This division allows you to organize your time in a very detailed and precise way. You have the option to view the calendar by day, week, month, 4 days, or agenda. You also have a More icon, and this allows you to print the calendar or refresh the page. There is also a cog icon that you can click on to change the setting and link your calendar to a mobile device. We have looked at the calendar. Now we can look at how to add events. Let's start with something nice and easy, lunch. As you know, the college runs from Monday to Friday and lunch is from 1 to 2. We can add lunch as an event by simply clicking on the calendar on Monday at 1 o'clock. A pop-up box appears and you can write the name of the event. After writing the name, you can click the Create Event button and your event will appear on the calendar. Let's try that again for Tuesday. This time, write the event but click on the Edit Event link. This gives you many options. You can add, this gives you many options. You can add or change the name of the event. You can change the time, enter a location, change the event color, and change how you receive reminders. The two most important things to look at on this page are the repeat function and the reminders. First, let's talk about the repeat function. If you tick the repeat box, a pop-up will appear. Because you usually have lunch at the same time every day, you can make the event repeat on different days. To do this, you can tick the boxes on the days you want the event to repeat. We have lunch every day, so you can click Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The second important thing is your reminders. Attendance is important for your life at university and also for your future professional lives. This calendar can help you organize your life so that you do not miss classes, tutorials, study sessions, or any other meetings. You have the option to receive a reminder by email, pop-up, or both. Here is what the email looks like. And here is what the pop-up looks like. Make sure that the reminder gives you enough time to get to the event. Finally, you can also use the name of an event as a reminder of things to take with you. For example, if you have a maths test, you may want to remind yourself to take your calculator. So, that is the basic functionality of the calendar. Next, you need to take your timetable and add your lessons, tutorials, workshops, and seminars to the calendar. Let's start with social science principles. If you have this class on Monday and Thursday, but at different times, you need to add each class as a separate event. The Monday class starts at 9 in the morning and lasts for 1 hour 50 minutes. We simply drag our mouse pointer from the start time we want and the finish time we want. Then we can edit the event. We can edit the time. We can edit the name of the event. We can also put a room number. And there are 11 teaching weeks in a term, so we can make the event repeat 11 times. We also have a social science class on Thursday, so we need to repeat the last process again. The Thursday class starts at 4 in the afternoon and lasts for 1 hour 50 minutes. Again, we simply drag our mouse pointer from the start time to the finish time we want. We can then edit the event. We can edit the time, and we can put a room number. There are 11 teaching weeks in the term, so we can make the event repeat 11 times. You can see that there are now 2 events on the calendar for social science. If you look at the next weeks, you can see that the events are repeated. You'll also notice that the default color for the events is purple this time. When you add more events, they will also be purple. So, it is a good idea to color code your events. For example, you could have social science as orange. But don't forget, you also have to change the one on Thursday. Your calendar allows you also to arrange meetings with other people and respond to meeting invitations. An important part of being a successful student is collaborating with other learners. This may be, for example, to revise for an exam, work on a project, or practice English. In order to arrange a meeting, you should follow the steps as with creating an event, and in the Edit Event option, you should enter email addresses of all the people you want to invite. After you press Save, a question will appear asking you to confirm that the invitation should be sent. Press Send to confirm your invitation. Other people, like your academic advisor or other students, may also send you an invitation. This would appear in your calendar as an event. When you click on that event, you then have an option of accepting the invitation or rejecting it. If you click on More Details, you will be able to set the reminder too. That brings us to the next part of this video. What events should you include? Here at SIC, we realize that a student's social life and academic life go hand in hand, and that if you do not find a balance between the two, then it may cause problems. We'd like to recommend that you use this calendar for both your academic life, such as lessons, tutorials, meetings and study groups, and your social life, such as meeting a friend for lunch, going to watch the football, or going on a tour of Yorkshire. You may also include your day-to-day activities like shopping, cooking, or tidying your room. So, it's over to you now. Your task is to add events to your Google Calendar. Remember that for your college and your studies you need to add classes, tutorials, and approximately 8.5 hours per week per module of self-study or homework. You also need to add different social events. Also, in your own time, explore the settings options where you can change the language, time zone, date format, and time format. In your own time, please also learn how to sync your device to either your mobile phone or your tablet or both. That's about it. Don't forget to show your academic advisor your calendar during the next tutorial. Thank you and goodbye.